then remember this? It's voice spread 66. And well, stopped because I pressed AC. Thing is, now I can actually stop this by pressing AC. How cool is that? Okay. How cool is that? Very cool, isn't it? Okay. Wrong trick. Let's pause this, and I'll get back to you after I'm done with this. Yeah, why do I keep on making mistakes? Okay, we're done. Now, equals. Gonna stop running. So yeah, remember this? You're gonna press AC, but it's going to stop, and then, well, it will stop. But you can also do shift. Like, it doesn't actually do anything, but shift AC doesn't work. If you press AC, no matter what, it's going to stop. And shutdown doesn't work here. See. Also, I've got another trick. You may have also. There's also a trick which I will feature when I get to 15 subscribers. But I'm not going to teach you how to do it. So, bye-bye. Then there's also this error. If you don't know how to do it, next video. Okay, that's it. Oh yeah. Okay, I'll see you all in the next video. This is voice feedback 66 CSIMC.